Welcome to Fastlane Tech Training, where we simplify tech and sharpen your skills. Today, we're delving into the world of predictive maintenance for data center ports using AI. Sounds complex, right? Well, buckle up, because we're about to break it down for you in a way that even your grandma can understand. Trust us, you'll want to stick around for this one. We all know that data centers are the backbone of our digital world. They house thousands of servers and network equipment, constantly working to keep our online lives running smoothly. But what happens when one of those ports goes down? It can cause major disruptions, leading to costly downtime and frustrated users. That's where predictive maintenance comes in. Using artificial intelligence, data center managers can now predict when a port is likely to fail and proactively take action to prevent it. How does it work? Well, AI algorithms analyze data from the network, such as traffic patterns and device performance, to identify any potential issues. This allows for early detection and intervention before a major problem occurs. It's like having a crystal ball for your data center. But it's not just about avoiding downtime. Predictive maintenance also helps with optimizing resources and reducing costs. By identifying which ports require maintenance, data center managers can plan their resources more efficiently, saving time and money. And let's not forget the environmental impact. Less energy consumption means a smaller carbon footprint. Now, some of you might be thinking, but can't we just monitor our data center manually? Sure, you could, but with the volume and complexity of data centers today, it's nearly impossible for humans to analyze all the data and make accurate predictions. That's where AI comes in, making the process faster, more accurate, and more cost-effective. So, if you're a data center manager or IT professional, it's time to embrace the power of AI and predictive maintenance. Stay ahead of the game and ensure your data center is running at its best. This clip is brought to you by Fastlane, your global IT training partner. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech insights and training. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.